Constitution in general, the Bill of Rights in general has always been a very important thing to me. And when I look through it, you know, as time goes on, our Supreme Court takes action that we don't necessarily always agree with. It doesn't matter what party you're in. And this is one of those cases. Under the Fourth Amendment, everybody knows your property, your house is, should be free from search and seizure from the government unless there's a valid search warrant. There is a but, in my opinion. They established, sometime back when, they established a thing called the Open Fields Doctrine, which states that if your property is literally an open field, it's part of an open field, that is outside of your curtilage, going back to, you know, the lawyers in the room probably have to go back to their English law to really get into that. But generally speaking, the curtilage is the immediate area and buildings around your domicile, where you live. And what this does is it limits the Fourth Amendment just to your curtilage. So if you own a large tract of property, there is the potential that agents from the government can come on your property and place trail cams and other types of recording devices in that area and record your comings and goings and other people's comings and goings on that portion of your property without a warrant. I just found, you know, when I represent a, you know, quite geographically speaking, a large area of the state where, you know, landowners have large tracts of land, and I don't feel that your Fourth Amendment rights are limited just to your curtilage. I disagree with the way the Supreme Court interprets this. I don't have the specific number of states, but several states, based on their Constitution and their Bill of Rights, actually don't recognize this aspect of open fields. But again, the Open Fields Doctrine states that, again, DEM agents, state police, whoever, can just come on your property outside of your curtilage and just set up cameras and recording devices, and I just don't think that's right. And this legislation would, in my mind, plug a hole in the Fourth Amendment.